on. Bitch up around me, nigga ain't a plan when I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, live a dream to the hills, and they wonder for the boy right now.
What's up, guys? Today's video is brought to you by Wiggins Hair. First of all, I love me some Wiggins Hair down bad, boo. They sent me over this nice wig with some extra goodies on the side. We got a edge brush and invisible HD wig caps, the lace band from Wiggins Hair, a gold scrunchie, it's a silk one, and this silk dust bag to keep your wig in. Then to the hair, y'all. This is their 24-inch body wave 13x4 HD lace frontal wig, y'all. I did get the cap size small. This wig came ready to go, boo. Like, knots bleached, hairline plucked, already parted down the middle, and it was slicked down too. Like, they did their biggest one. Y'all see this? I can't even see the knots in this lace at all. It's definitely giving HD. Like, what? I knew this was about to be a fire install. Look at this cap, this construction of this wig, you guys. It's just about to eat down. Y'all gotta just watch this install for real. Literally, the stylist barely had to do any plucking, didn't have to bleach the knots at all, and it came curled. Look at how bouncy these curls are. The curls ate down. I literally had the stylist touch them up very minimum. I was like, girl, just leave it. Like, the wig came ready to go. So when I got to my hairstylist, we braided my hair up, greased my scalp and all of that. If your hairstylist is not greasing your scalp before you put that wig on, you need to go to somebody else because your scalp is dry up under that wig, boo. And then after she greased me up, she went ahead and sewed down that braid so it's not just hanging in the back of my wig. So now that I'm looking like Cleo, we about to get this wig installed. Starting off with the wig cap. You know, we got to get that wig cap down. And she sewed it down in the bags too. Y'all, this is my first time coming to this stylist, so she ate down with the install. Now I look like an egghead. That's how you know your install about to eat though, boo. That wig cap is laid down. And we use that HD wig cap that Wiggins sent us as well. She is just plucking a little bit of the hairline just to our liking and then cutting around my ears so my ears can be comfortable.
Tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right when I was wrong. Only think about you and me part of me that.
Y'all see how it's laid, boo? Period. Then she put like a stocking or something around my lace to lay the lace down, which I've never had nobody use that before, so that was cool. That was different. It actually came out very fire. Lace was invisible, boo. Wait just a moment, because she was sewing a wig down in the back right here, but look at these curls. It literally was eating down.
Another night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm reminiscing of the way you could have been, and we try to pretend every now and again. We don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. But I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could have been. Remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. I'm reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping. Thinking about you doesn't tell me what could you do if I decide to face the truth.
Ain't no doubt about you, me. Put it out your mind.
disgusting. They don't know about this feeling.
Find you and be my rock boy, and I will find you. Oh,
Y'all, I love this install down bad. Like, y'all see the smile on my face. It was just eating. I was so happy. I felt like a new me. And if y'all are interested in this hair, make sure you go ahead and check out the links down below in the description box. I have all the hair information and the links down below. Go ahead and check them out. Thank you so much to Wiggins Hair for sending me this hair. Yes, she did her big one. Look at my hair, y'all. Look at my hair, y'all. She did her biggest what? Yes. I feel like me, boo.